Hi sellers! Pag-usapan natin ang category permits and product certifications at alamin natin kung alin ba dapat sa dalawa ang kailangan natin i-file sa Shopee Seller Center. Ang category permits ay nagsisilbing patunay na ang iyong business ay registered at certified to conduct the following: manufacturing, packaging, repackaging, import or export, trading, wholesale, and reselling. Some examples of category permits include FDA license to operate, Mayor's permit, Bureau of Animal Industry license to operate, and National Meat Inspection Services issued certificate. Ang product certifications naman ay nagsacertify na ang item mo mismo ay dumaan sa tamang quality control and safety checks para maging safe for use or consumption ng buyers. A few examples of product certifications are the PSICC sticker, FDA Certificate of Product Registration, FDA Cosmetic Product Notification, and Bureau of Animal Industry Certificate of Feed Product Registration. The permit that you need to upload depends on your product. In some cases, kakailanganin mong mag-upload ng category level permit at product certifications sa Seller Center para makapagbenta ng isang regulated item. Remember to upload the category permit first before the product certifications. Suriin mabuti ang inyong business at alamin kung aling permits ang kailangan makuha para tuloy-tuloy ang inyong pagbenta sa platform. Stay tuned for our next videos as we will share how to upload both the category and product certifications on Shopee Seller Center. For more information about the necessary permits, bisitahin ang Seller Education Hub.